What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at ya. High impact, high horsepower episode for you today of the full auto variety. Every single time I come out to the range, there's only one blitz that typically runs no matter what the conditions are. Shooter Steve's blitz has been absolutely impeccable as far as reliability is concerned, and today we're going to show the haters exactly what Hatsan Blitzes are actually capable of in a tip-top format. I know there's a 30 caliber ammo shortage out there, and I feel badly for you guys, but this means nothing to me. So I'm going to go ahead and dump no less than 14 magazines at 16 rounds apiece in fully automatic, strictly for the enjoyment of wasting the lead. It feels wrong to say that. I got all my cameras running. I got this big ass carbon fiber bottle ready to tether us as soon as we start to drop on the pressure, and I've got 14 magazines initially loaded. It's an understatement to say that I cannot wait. Let's get right into it. Time to get serious, and by serious I mean f***ing around with full auto. And firing, rightmost target. That went very quickly. The new Hatsan magazines that I purchased recently are very thick. Let's use Shooter Steve's magazines. Maybe his work better than, oh, like a glove. Firing. Interesting. Let's go ahead and see if we need to go ahead and tether our pressure. Quick top back up to 220 bar.
It just didn't want to go, huh?
And it has one pellet left in the mag. 3 magazines in, let's go.
That's where they sit.
And firing. Why? Why? I turned my valve off. This is not what I wanted to have happen here. Wow. Does it work without a mag? After all the setup that we have into this episode, it just doesn't want to work for us, and it's not currently tethered. It's not currently over pressurized at 220 out of 250 bar. God, why me? Why me? 2 failed Blitz episodes in one outing. Honestly, not what I expected for you guys, but I'm not going to push somebody else's rifle. I have no idea. I just don't know. I'm sorry, brother. Hey, I legit hope it's all f***ing good.
Yeah, I think it is. I don't know what it is. It ran like fucking perfect last time, dude.
Yeah, I cut a gun in half with it. Damn blitzes. The weird thing is basically it got topped up.
Right.
Like, cause it wasn't tethered when it had that failure as far as like. That's damn. I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah, like it's done, dude. It doesn't even want to do semi. Yeah, it's spring pressure maybe.
Fucking
return spring.
That's weird.